Yeah. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Uh,
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
So, 1 minute. I will. You are speaking from which place?
Sir, currently I'm in Nandial.
Oh, great. So, what is your degree?
Sir, BCom.
Which year did you complete?
In 2021.
Good. So, which college did you study, or which university did you study?
Sir, I studied in Sri Kongadiyappa Degree College, which is in Dodbalapur, which comes under Bangalore North University.
Good. How many marks did you score in the degree?
Sir, it's 82%, sir.
Good. So, Nandyal, you are studying for since when are you studying?
So since I think 5 months, sir. Since 5 months I'm here.
Oh, good,
Yeah.
good. So, has there been any, what is your daily schedule? Normally, how do you spend your day?
I actually start with classes start with 7:30, sir.
Mm,
I'll attend that class and then I'll go to exam at 10:30.
mm,
And after that, I'll do my lunch and I will sit and practice in the room itself.
super.
And then at 6 o'clock, I'll go for paper explanations, sir. 6 to
Good.
8.
Very good. Excellent, excellent. And how many people attend for paper explanation and all? 1,000 people, 2,000?
Yes, sir. Around more than that only.
It will be like a marriage melana.
Yes, sir. It almost fills to auditorium.
Oh, Baba. Auditorium, minimum 2 to 3,000 people may be there, na? Rough, that much.
Yes. Yeah, roughly that much only, sir.
Excellent. But you are speaking very good English. How?
Sir, actually, no, sir. I have to improve myself in English.
No, but compared to many other candidates, your English is far better. Good. Very happy.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
But don't depend on this Karnataka bank only. You know it because they call thousands of candidates for hundreds of vacancies. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is your father?
Sir, my father is no more, sir.
So when did he die? I'm sorry.
4 months back.
Oh God. Due to corona or some other problem?
No, sir. Actually, he died because of open heart surgery failure.
How old was he? What was the work he was doing?
Sir, he was 62 years and he's worked as an KSRTC supervisor,
Very good.
depot supervisor.
Karnataka State Depot Supervisor. What is
Yes,
your,
sir.
and he retired?
Yeah, I retired 2 years back only.
Acha, acha. Now, what is your mother?
My mother is an homemaker, sir.
Good. What is, how many siblings you have?
Sir, I have only one elder sister.
She is married?
Yes, sir, she is already married.
Very good. Excellent. Do you at times feel bad when you are staying alone at Nandial?
Sir, actually, yes, sir. But
But
I'll forget that with friends, sir.
I am told that food and all will be good in the hostel.
No, sir, not that much,
You
sir.
are not staying in the hostel, or where are you staying?
Sir, I'm staying in the room.
No.
Private rooms.
Private room. That is the reason. I was told the hostel facility in our Nandyal is really good. That's what they told. If you get a option, why don't you shift there? Depends.
No, sir. First 2 months I stayed in hostel only.
But you found
Because of
that is more crowded. You came out.
crowded, plus I am not able to adjust for that food, sir. It make me
Oh,
health issues also.
acha, it will be very hot because Andhra food.
So that's why I shifted to room, and I'm cooking myself, sir, for myself.
Great. I'm really happy. You're a BCom, cooking yourself, and good. Who is the Governor of Reserve Bank of India?
Sir, Shri Shaktikanta Das.
Good. Who is the Finance Minister of India?
Sir, Nirmala Sitaraman.
Who is our Defense Minister?
Defense Minister.
Rajnath
Sir,
Singh.
Rajnath Singh, sir.
Yeah. You are a native of Karnataka, na?
Yes, sir.
Then you must be knowing names of 3 Karnataka ministers. Tell me. Karnataka state ministers.
Karnataka State Minister, sir. Basavaraj Bommai, who is the CM of Karnataka. And
Yesterday I posted. Are you following my
Yes, sir.
Telegram group? I have posted the full list yesterday there.
Yes, sir.
Ministers, Karnataka Legislative
And
Assembly.
Education Minister Ashwath Narayan, and Health Minister Sudhakar.
Asoka is what minister?
Ashwath Narayan,
No,
Education Minister.
Ashoka.
Ashoka.
Ashoka is Minister for Revenue Department.
Revenue Department. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Housing Infrastructure, who is the minister? Somanna.
Okay,
I will read out once again so that others also will listen. But so big list, Baba. 29 names are there. I will read out in another video so you can get to know. Very good. So why should we know about all these minister and all when you want to work in bank?
Sir, this is all current affairs. No, sir, we have to update ourselves when it comes to banking sectors.
Good. Which bank do you have an account?
Karnataka Bank itself.
Really? Great. Which branch?
Dodbalapur branch.
Dodbalapur branch. Is it a big branch or small branch? Medium.
Sir, actually, Dodbalapur is in Taluk, sir. It's like a small branch only, sir. There
about 5-6 people are working. 7 people.
Sir. Less than 10 people only, sir.
Less than 10 people only working. Good. You are a BCom student. I am appointing you in Karnataka Bank as a clerk.
Okay.
What will be the job responsibility of you?
Sir, first thing, have to do cash transactions and passbook entries. I have to inform customers about the KYC norms, and then checkbook issues, passbook printing, and I think that's all, sir.
Not bad, but then you forgot about bank assurance canvassing, then mutual fund product canvassing and all that. And also you can also add, I will be helping branch in the deposit mobilization recovery of NPA. Okay, good. Nandyal girl.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What is the difference between fixed deposit and a recurring deposit?
Fixed deposit means the sum of money which is fixed in for some period at
Now, can you
whole
tell?
money.
Can you tell in Kannada? Talk to me in Kannada.
Okay, sir.
How to ask? What is the difference between fixed deposit and RD? How to tell in Kannada?
ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ರೆಕರಿಂಗ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ನ ಎರಡರ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಏನು?
ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ರೆಕರಿಂಗ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಎರಡನ
ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ.
ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸಮೆನ್ನ.
ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್.
ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸಂ, difference. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, in Kannada only, sir.
Yeah, Kannada only.
Sir, when it comes to fixed deposit ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಮನಿನ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದು ಫಾರ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನ ರೆಕರಿಂಗ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಕರಿಂಗ್ ಡೆಪಾಸಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಟನ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಮನಿನ ನಾವು ತಿಂಗಳ ಕಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
Good. Tingla. That I wanted that one. Monthly. Good.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Very nice. What will happen to the tingla money that we are paying into the account?
Sir, that amount will be added, and at last we will get the interest for that.
We will get the principal and the interest.
Interest, yes, sir. Principal and interest also.
Very good. You told nicely. I'm happy. Good. Please tell me a few points about KYC norms in Kannada.
KYC norms.
Why you are fully prepared for English only?
Yes, sir.
Achha, then you talk to me in English. No problem. If you are comfortable in English, you talk to me in English. Tell me about KYC norms. I want to know what is KYC. Tell me a few points about it.
Sir, KYC means know your customer. There their banker has to collect the information or know the customers about customer, their identity proof and address proof. When opening the account in the bank, they have to check about the customers and know the customers. And then that's it, sir.
You can talk still more better, na? KYC norms, why it is done? KYC norm is done in order to avoid Benami transactions and also to ensure genuineness and avoid money laundering. Then how we do it, 6 documents are asked, and if it is PAN card given without address, we also take address proof,
address proof and identity.
Adanni చెప్పాలి కదా.
సార్ చెప్పాను, మీనింగ్ మాత్రం చెప్పాను కదా.
అవన్నీ డీటెయిల్స్ కు చెప్పాలి. ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్స్ whenever they ask, you should be able to explain what, when, why, where, which, how, who. Ante KYC. What is KYC? Why is KYC? When is KYC? Which is KYC? Who is KYC? How is KYC? Alaga, you must be able to explain everything step by step. Tell me about your native place.
Sir, my native is Dottumkur village. It is an village that belongs to Bangalore rural district.
Continue.
There we can, that is famous for black stones, which is Karekallu, they'll say.
Karangal.
Karekallu.
In Tamil we call it Karangal, that black one.
Yes. Which is famous for that black stones. That's old name is also is Karekal Tumkur. Karekal Tumkur, sir.
What is the meaning of Tumkur? Because there is another Timkur also is there.
So actually, I don't know that. I think that's also
No, no.
one name. It's think
No,
so.
you know, for example, there must be some meaning. Tumkur meaning. Tumkur meaning in Kannada officially is one of the industrial cities, also known as Shanika Nagari, city of education and Kalpataru. Uh, mm, so I think Tumkur meaning. Tumkur is a baby boy, name mainly popular in Hindu religion, and its main origin is Hindi. That is in that place in Kannada. What is the meaning? Doesn't matter. No problem. Doesn't matter. Leave it. Now
Okay.
come to banking. Say a customer comes very angrily and shouts at you. How are you going to manage him?
Sir, I actually manage him with a calm and I will patiently. I'll explain what is the. I'll listen to that problem actually, and
Hmm,
then I will going to explain
hmm,
what the mistake,
hmm.
and then I'll rectify myself, and then I will patiently I will work, sir.
Good. How do you determine, say, in interpersonal relationship, how will you motivate your friends? Do you motivate your friends? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. I'll motivate my
How
friends.
do you motivate others, and what type of motivation do you expect from others?
Sir, I will motivate my friends for studying purpose and not to do I think bad things or not to take the bad decisions.
Mm,
Um, and I motivate for reading purpose,
mm,
and when they are not spending times in reading,
mm.
I'll
Good,
I'll sit
good,
with
good.
them and talk to them,
Good,
and I
very
will.
good, 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 good. You are answering this correctly. Now tell me, what are your regular habits? 7 regular habits you have that will
Um,
make you suitable for bank job.
okay. So first thing, I'll.
What happened? This is not, is it a tough question?
Sir, I'm thinking what can I answer for this?
Yeah,
Just give
same
me.
question, same question. What are your strengths? Why should we select you? Almost all these are same questions only. Here you are going to tell what are the good qualities you have. For example, I am a systematic person.
Okay.
I am time conscious. And I do plan things. I do not waste my time. And likewise, I am quick in decision making. Something
Mm.
like that you must be able to tell. Tell me now.
Okay, sir. So first thing, I'll manage my time.
Mm.
And
Management time properly.
manage my time properly
Mm.
and record the day-to-day things
Mm.
which is happening,
Mm.
and systematic
Mm.
systematic manner.
Mm.
Uh,
And you must be systematic because you said you are cooking yourself. Then
uh,
you have to plan for your time for cooking, cleaning
and
the utensils, so many things. Oh, Baba. You are staying with 2, 3 other people or alone?
other people, sir, with my friends.
They also share the work with you?
Yes, sir.
That's good. That's good. Cooperation is the very important element. Can you tell me what
And,
is cooperation?
sir, cooperation means uh, we have adjustment.
Hmm.
I think adjustment.
Hmm.
We have to adjust one thing to another thing
Hmm. Actually,
because
what you said is not wrong. You can add one more point also. Cooperation means understanding others' needs and doing it quickly.
Okay. It's
Suppose,
better than this.
that is, supposing you find your roommate is sick, then you will share her work also and do it yourself.
Oh, yes.
Or some roommate has received a bad message from her native place, she'll be sad automatically. Then at that
Yes.
time you should understand and manage. This is known as cooperation.
Cooperation.
Good. Are you interested in taking up canvassing job and all, canvassing insurance policies, mutual fund products and all?
Uh, no, sir.
Hmm?
No, sir.
You should not say like this. If you say no, how can I select you? You should say yes. What is wrong in your canvassing? Tell me. You are going to
Sir,
talk. You are
actually,
going
I
to
don't
talk.
have idea.
You are going to talk over phone and convince them. You are going to meet them in person. When you meet them in person, you will go with somebody known to you so that you are not alone. You don't have other problems of being a girl. So those things you will take care and canvas. You are talking very well. So whenever they ask anything, you say that you like canvassing. You will do it happily. Okay.
Okay, sir. I thought it's outdoor work
Even if it is outdoor, they won't send you out without somebody accompanying you. Do you think
Okay.
they will send you out alone?
No, 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 sir.
Then
There will be another person's.
believe in your organization. That is what is required. Okay,
Okay, sir.
very good. Anything else you want to ask me? You are answering well, but you must be little more pushy. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் இனிஷியேட்டிவ் இருக்கணும், ஆர்வமா பேசணும், and you must express your happiness. I know you'll be having a lot of worries. Forget about the worries. And I know you lost your father recently. That is a very big loss. I know that. But when it comes to the interview, you should pose as if you are forgotten and you are trying to manage well. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, you are doing very well. I don't find any problem in you. Read something more about banking, current affairs, etc. I will ask 5 questions, answer them correctly.
Okay.
Tell me, what is the capital of Kerala?
Thiruvananthapuram.
Correct. Can you tell me who is the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh?
ఇది Jagannath Reddy.
Correct. Very good. Can you tell me what is the capital of Bihar?
Sir, I don't have idea, sir.
Patna. You don't know Patna also. So you must have some current static GK and all. You must know what is the name of the ship our Prime Minister launched yesterday.
Sir, I read that news, sir, but at present I can't.
INS Vikranta.
Yes, sir.
So there is a television company NDTV. Some other business company is trying to acquire that. What is the name of that company?
Sir,
Adani.
I don't.
Adani.
Okay.
These things you will know only when you go through the newspaper right from today.
Okay.
Leave alone other things. Go through from 1st September. You may be having affairs cloud or adda, or your college itself must be giving you current affair. Are they giving you current affair?
Yes, sir.
Why don't you read that?
Okay, sir. I'll read.
When will they give current affairs? 1st September, have they given you already?
Sir, they released the book. I have to purchase it and I have to read, sir.
No, but this current affair means that which is happening yesterday, you have to know. So you can know it from I am posting everyday video. Are you aware of that?
Current affairs, sir.
Are you aware or
Sir.
not? No.
Sir, I'm aware, but I'm not seeing.
Getting time. Why? Are you member of my Telegram group 72020?
Yes, sir. I'm a member of.
There I have posted August month full current affairs.
Okay, sir. I will go through it.
Very good. At least from 1st September, you must go through. Best wishes. God bless you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Yeah. Now, Deepthi, what is your number, please? What is the time I gave you, Deepthi?
Sir, 520.
Oh, you are that girl, 520 girl.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you please tell me about yourself, Deepthi? Deepthi, your number starts with what?
May I know which number you're speaking about, sir?
Cell phone number, first 5 numbers.
Okay. 9611.
Correct. I have it. Good. Please tell me about yourself.
Okay, sir. My name is Deepthi R.I. and I'm from Upanagadi, Puttur. I have completed my graduation from Advas College, Modubidri, and I have done an internship with Accenture for the period of 3 months. Currently, I'm working as a low-code developer associate in an MNC, sir.
Oh, good. Very good. Since when are you working in this MNC?
Sir, it's been 4 months.
Good. What is the nature of work you are doing?
So it's basically to create the app with the low code theme, sir.
Oh.
Like it's meant for the business purpose.
Good. So you are preparing apps themselves, correct?
Yes, sir.
Oh, great. Then what is the software used in preparation of apps like this, mobile apps of Karnataka Bank and all?
No, it's okay. It does not require any programming language like a C++ or HTML, which we usually use. It is based on an platform that is Microsoft Power Platform, which is a built-in platform that has been given by the Microsoft itself. We have to take the license, and the thing is, sometimes you need not to use any code also. The options will be there. You have to drag and drop, and according to your needs. And sometimes you need to use the low code like Excel kind of codes in this so that it can run.
What is the degree you studied?
The BCom.
BCom.
Yes.
And BCom and this, there is not direct contact, but still you are doing very well. Good.
Oh. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
What is inflation?
Inflation means a rise in the prices of goods, refers to the inflation.
Okay. What is the position in which our country is now?
Currently, India is having a 7.1% inflation rate, sir. Inflation is rising in a moderate rate.
Slightly, it has come down in July. I don't know how much it is. 6 point something. Good. It has come down. So is it good to have this inflation like this for a long time? And what is the desired level of inflation?
So the RBI has given that +2 -4. I'm confused with that +2 or -2 or +4.
4%
Okay.
minus or plus. 4% minus or plus 2.
Okay, 4% minus of this.
Minus 2 means 2%, plus 2 means 6%. That is,
okay,
it should be between 2 to 6. If it is within 2 to 6, they say it is good, but now it is more. Yeah. Now, which other countries are having higher inflation now? Our neighboring countries.
So Pakistan, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka has faced this crisis of inflation in recent days.
Very good. They are our neighbors and they are facing this problem. Good. What is your father?
My father does. He's a farmer.
Your father is a farmer.
Yes, he agriculturist.
Oh, which part of which place?
It's in Dakshina Kannada itself. So we grow areca here.
Acha. You are doing that areca nut. That is
Yes.
pak.
I don't know that word.
Supari or pak.
Yes, sir. That is been used for that purpose.
Yeah. Good. I think, is this the first time you are taking interview with me or second time?
No, this is the first time I'm taking with you, sir.
Very good. Now, you are a commerce girl.
Yes.
Please tell me the 3 golden rules of bookkeeping.
Okay. It's first one, debit as it's a real account. Debit what comes in, credit what. Sorry, sir. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Debit the receiver, credit the giver, and debit the income, credit. No, sorry. Debit the expenses, credit the income.
No. For a real account only, you said real. For others, why did you not tell the name of the account? Personal account, nominal account.
Okay, for personal account, it's debit the receiver, credit the giver, and for a nominal account, debit the expenses,
Yeah.
credit the income.
Good. Very good. Now, what is trial balance? Why should trial balance be taken periodically?
Trial balance is basically used to check whether all these transactions which are entered are correct, or is there is any error which is made. So if there is both the side of trial balance should be equal. So if there is any mismatch, that means there is an error in the entries that has been made.
Nice. You said nicely, but you did not tell us what are those two, both sides.
Debits and credit sides.
Super. Good. Very happy. Please tell me imagine I don't know anything about commerce. Please explain balance sheet to me.
Balance sheet is nothing but a financial statement which consists of the asset and liability side. The asset side includes both the tangible asset and intangible asset. Tangible asset means those assets which you can see, like machinery, goods, and intangible asset refers to the goodwill, etc. And the liability side includes the total capital that the company has, as well as the liabilities like a creditors, bills payable. That's so these should be equal. Both the side of the liability, asset and liability should be equal.
Good. Everything correct. Under assets, you can say fixed assets and current assets.
Okay.
Fixed assets means building, machinery, etc. Current assets means stocks, then
Stock, bills receivable.
bank balance, cash, etc. And debtors.
Okay.
What are sundry debtors?
Sundry debtors means the persons to whom business, the person who who owes to the business. They are the persons who has received some goods or service from the business, so they have to make a credit payment to the business.
Good, that is right. You told correctly. Now, can you tell me why we are using ratio analysis in deciding about accounts and all?
Sorry, sir, but
out of portion, out of syllabus question.
No, it's like we have used ratio, but this never come in my mind that why
But
we use this.
They won't ask you. They won't ask you this much tough question. Ratio analysis, we do it to check up how the company has been progressing for performing compared to the past years. Also, we do this to check up how the company is performing in comparison to similar industries. Supposing it is a cement industry, how other cement industries are working, how this company is working. Supposing it is a car manufacturing company, what car manufacturer other companies are doing, what we are doing, like that. Could you follow?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Understood.
Very good. Which bank do you have an account?
Sir, I have account in SBI.
Oh, good. Are you very proud of having account in SBI?
Yes, sir.
But not, you should not tell this in the interview. In the interview, you say, no, sir, I am having it
Okay.
because that is the nearest branch for me. But I'll be happy to have in Karnataka Bank after joining here. Something like
Okay, okay, sir.
smilingly, you should
Okay.
tell them. Smilingly. You are smiling. So you should smile and then tell like that. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay.
good. Can you tell me, um, is the check being used nowadays by you or not? Because everything we are using other modes of payment. Are you using checks?
No, sir. I don't use check.
Check, yeah. But do you know what are the columns available in a check?
The name, the amount as a section, the sign,
Mm.
and the date,
Mm. Mm.
and
Name of the bank, the branch of the bank, number of the check, MICR code of the check, then
yes, I forgot that.
then date you are told, pay, and then signature of the party, account number. Okay.
Okay.
You are a commerce student. Tell me what is a bill of exchange?
So bill of exchange is nothing but a negotiable instrument which in which one party orders another party to make a payment for a set after a, or either what to say, either now or after after a certain period of time for the goods or service they have received.
Mm. A bill of exchange is instrument in writing containing an unconditional order directing the person to pay a certain sum of money to a certain person on a certain date, something like that.
Okay,
So
there are three parties involved.
everything certain, you should say.
Okay, there are three parties involved: the
Mm.
drawer, drawee, and the payee. Drawer is a person who draws the bill or who orders the bill, who makes the order in that bill. Drawee is a person who has to make the payment, and the payee is a person who receives the amount from the drawer.
Mm.
Sorry, drawee.
Drawer, drawee, pay. Correct. In the case of check, who is drawee?
Drawee who makes the payment, who who has to make the payment to another person.
Asking in the case of check, who is a drawee?
I think banks.
I think you
Bank.
should not use the word I think. You should say bank.
Okay.
When you say I think it may be, can be, then you will get less weightage for that answer, though you have answered correctly.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes.
Yeah. What is the interest rate they are paying in savings bank SB account?
It's 2.75.
Good. What is the present repo rate?
It's 5.40, sir.
Good. What is the present bank rate?
Bank rate is 5.65.
Very nice. Can you expand DICGC?
Yes, sir. DICGS is a depository insurance credit guarantee corporation.
Correct. Can you expand EPFO?
Employee Provident Fund organization.
Good. Very good. What is Air India?
Air India is a aeroplane is an organization which runs aeroplanes.
Who are the owners of it now?
I am not sure. I am not aware of it, sir.
Tatas. Government
Okay.
has given it to Tatas.
Okay.
Now, some businessman's name is coming every day in newspaper, is becoming rich. And so much so, this man's name is coming within the top 50 in the world, so many things. What is that man's name? I'm not telling about Ambani, somebody else. This name is also becoming very famous nowadays. He's also from Gujarat.
Adani, Gautam Adani.
Correct. Good. Gautam Adani. Good. How do you know this? You read newspaper?
Because yes, sir. The other thing is that I'm in Mangalore, so we have an airport which is also given to the Adani company. So that is why.
That is why you know, correct. Not only that, now his name is sounding so much because he is trying to take over NDTV. He is trying to take over NDTV, you know.
I'm sorry, sir. Can you repeat again?
No. He is
I
trying.
could not hear you.
He is trying to take over NDTV.
Yes. That was in the news.
That is the reason.
That
Very good. So you are answering very well, no problem. So are you willing to be posted anywhere in Karnataka?
Yes, sir. I would be happy if I given a chance to work in my native. But I'll be able. No, what to say that I'll not be. I don't have an issue if I posted in anywhere in Karnataka. I can able to manage myself.
What about I post you to Kerala?
So it's okay, sir. I'll be able to manage. However, we Indians are. However, I know English and I can. I'll be able to manage somehow in that area, and soonly I'll start to learn that language, Malayalam. So it will not be a problem for me, sir.
Very good. Nice. Thank you. You are that. You are not that.
Sir, I have a doubt. Can I?
Yeah.
Because I could not able to attend your classes in the night regularly since my shift timing is something else. So I wanted to ask here. The thing is that while applying for the post, I have not mentioned that I'm currently working. The reason is there was a column why you left that job. So I did not feel that I'm currently working. So will it be a problem in this interview?
No. You can mention the present place you are working in the biodata form.
Okay,
That
sir.
you are going to carry. No, it will not be a problem.
In the
It will not be a
okay,
problem.
sir.
It will not be. Achha, you are telling you have not. No. You have worked in more than one company or only one company?
This is the first company that I'm working.
Achha, you have not mentioned. Have you resigned that or you are still working?
No. I'm currently working there only.
Then, if you have not mentioned, it is okay. Now mention it in biodata.
Okay, sir.
Good. Best wishes.
Thank you so much,
Thank
sir.
you. You did well. The level of confidence in voice is good. This will help you. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Siddesh, are you that guy whom I called?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir. Extremely sorry, sir. I had some meeting.
96110?
No, sir. 807312.
Oh, I ran up behind you and called you. That person, huh?
Yes, yes,
Today.
yes, sir. I was in
Yeah, no problem. Tell me 80.
7312.
Just a minute. 807312. Okay. Now I have to go for breakfast. I will go and have it. It may take about 15,
Okay.
20 minutes. I will give a
Okay.
message to you. Then you'll be my first interview for next round. Then
Sure, sir.
others.
No problem. No problem.
Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes.
Okay, thank you.